Morning, everybody. How are we all doing? I hope we're all good. It's Friday again, 10th of February 2023, and a quick look at the 24-hour summary for Southeast England. It's another cold one out there this morning. Many places are sub-zero. A degree or two either side of freezing would cover it. In the clearer spots, we are a couple of degrees below. In the cloudier spots, just above. So at Folkestone at the moment, we're running at around about minus 1.6. If we move over to Ashford, I'm looking at minus 2.1. If we head over towards Maidstone, it's minus 1.5. Head over to Tunbridge, minus 1.3. But head towards Dartford, minus 1.8, chilly up there as well. But then head over to the coast at Botany Bay on the northeast Kent coast, we're at 3.1. And then if we head over towards the Big Smoke in London, we're sitting at around about 3 degrees as well. There is some cloud moving in. Top of the chills this morning, I should say, is Benson in Oxfordshire, around about -5. But as you can see, many stations, again, in central and southeast England are between -2 and -4. So it is a cold one. You will be scraping your cars this morning in many areas. It's not cold everywhere, as is usually the scene. The warmest temperatures in this setup, when you've got high pressure over southeast England, is for the warmest temperatures to be towards the northwest of the UK. And Benbecula this morning is top of the hots at 10 degrees. That's because you are exposed to more Atlantic influences with breezes coming in from the southwest. Right, we are chasing rather a lot of cloud today. There are some clear patches down here in the southeast, and that's the reason why we've had a frost of quite low temperatures. But today is a day of rather increasing amounts of cloud as a weak warm front pushes across. So this is the facts chart. This was at 6 o'clock this morning, so just relatively hot off the press. High pressure to the south, keeping us dry, but this warm front, this very weak warm front, will be pushing eastwards throughout the course of the day. No rain associated with it, so it will be another dry day, just more nuisance cloud. If we run the sequence of this facts chart over towards midnight, it would have pushed across towards the southeast of the UK. It will be bringing rather a lot of cloud with it, but as I've mentioned, rainfall on it will be absent. What it does do, though, it gives us a much milder night tonight. So this is the symbols from the Met Office. So this morning, hazy sunny skies after that frosty start. And if we just run this throughout the course of the day, you'll see a sunny morning gives way to slowly increasing cloud throughout the afternoon. So I think by mid-afternoon, most places will be cloudy. It'll still be bright. This sunshine will be rather hazy, but it does mean that tonight it will stay cloudy. And as that weak warm front pushes over, we'll see that the cloud will thicken up. So no temperature related problems tonight. We'll look at the temperatures today. So the maximum temperatures you're going to get today are around 9. You'll probably see a 10 degrees somewhere today in there. And tonight's overnight minimum temperatures nowhere near as cold on account of all that cloud. So 2s and 3s will cover it. I don't think we'll be scraping the cars in the morning. Just finish off with the breezes, so light throughout. So at the moment we're running a light westerly breeze, and that's the way it's going to stay throughout the course of the day. These are in these are in miles an hour, and these are average wind speeds. So yeah, 8 to 10 miles an hour covers it quite nicely from the west or the southwest throughout. That's around about a force 2. So in summary, it's a bright morning with some sunny spells, clouds slowly increasing throughout the course of the day, staying dry, milder overnight and cloudy. I'll be back tomorrow morning with the weekend weather forecast. But in the meantime, all have a lovely Friday. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.